It's time for Marry Me Monday, the fun, timely, sometimes romantic, sometimes spirited live radio program with your hosts, Jeff Dorsey and Sherry Bussey, presented by Emerald City Jewelers, 33rd and Broadway, Quincy.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marry Me Monday for this Monday morning. Sherry Bussey's alongside from Emerald City Jewelers. How are you?
I'm great.
Hope you had a nice weekend.
Yes, beautiful.
Good. We're into spring finally. Yay. I think a lot of people are happy about that.
Spring on paper.
Yeah, it's on paper, but get it past us this wintertime at least and move into something a little nicer weather-wise. People are out and about, and right now is probably a good time to get those rings checked too, right?
Yeah, we're doing our spring cleaning special right now from, the first day of spring through the end of the month. So we're offering free jewelry cleaning services for everyone. Anybody that, whether you bought your ring from us or not, come in and have it cleaned and checked, and we'll inspect it, make sure all your stones are tight and your prongs are big enough to, strong enough to hold your stone in place. And if you decide you want to have some repair work done, or if we find something that needs to be done, we're offering something we hardly ever do is we're discounting our repair services. So we're offering 15% off if you prepay for your repair service, and it's a good deal.
Yeah.
It's a good deal.
There's probably a lot of jewelry out there that needs to be repaired, and people just haven't gotten around to doing it.
Well, and then some people have been told it can't be repaired.
Mm-hmm.
So if that's the case, bring it to us. And now that we have the laser welder ability, which we've had for the first in town to have it, we are really good at laser repair. And so sometimes things that couldn't be repaired before, maybe they have a stone in it that can't take heat of a torch, but the laser welder is able to melt gold where it's just a pinpoint of heat, so it doesn't affect the stone. So it's a nice way to get something fixed that wasn't able to be repaired before.
Yeah, it's amazing where technology has taken you these days.
All those little delicate filigree things from the 1800s and that stuff, they're fixable now. So it's a nice thing for people if they can want to refurbish great-grandma's ring or something like that. Bring it in.
Okay. And of course, jewelry cleaning as well, right?
Yeah,
You'll take
we
care of that too.
do all the jewelry cleaning, and we do, eyeglass repair too.
Yeah. Well, it's big on Mondays.
It is big on Monday. Monday's the day where everybody comes in with broken glasses.
What are they doing on weekends? But they
A
certainly,
little bit more active than during the week, I
they're
guess.
not seeing as well on Sundays, perhaps. But anyway, bring the eyeglasses in. You'll take care of those too for them,
right.
which is kind of cool. Want to get the story?
Yes.
It says here, my story begins with the reception after the wedding, and all the planning had paid off until I arrived at the reception hall. The eerie silence was the first thing I noticed. There was no music playing. Oh, the music machine was all set up, but no one was there to turn it on. Where that person went was unknown. It's hard to dance with no music playing, so I was very concerned as to what was going on. My anxiety levels subsided, though, when the DJ finally arrived holding a fuse of some sort that he said he had to go and buy to replace the one that blew out while setting things up earlier. And replace it he did. The night went on without a hitch after that, thank goodness. Dancing to silence would not have been very good. It would have been pretty weird for a wedding reception. Thanks for sending that story in to us here. And that's no true words were spoken to it.
Right.
It's been hard to dance without the music. And,
There's people.
yeah, there are. I know a few myself.
I am one, I think.
Get the music in your head.
I got the music in me, babe.
I think I've heard that before.
I know.
Someplace. I guess thanks for sending that story in, and for doing so, we get a nice gift certificate for you and a Marry Me Monday T-shirt. For the rest of you, send your stories in. We'd love to hear from you. Just let us know by y101radio.com, and we'll try to get your story on next week, perhaps, on Marry Me Monday. Okay? Emerald City Jewelers located where?
We're located at the corner of 33rd and Broadway under the emerald green roof across from the main entrance of the mall.
Okay, of course, you gift wrap.
We gift wrap.
And when are you there?
We're open from 9:30 to 5:30 Monday through Friday, Saturdays from 9:30 till 3, and Sundays by appointment.
Okay, thank you, Sherry. Appreciate it.
Yep, my pleasure.
We'll talk next week.
All right, thank you.
That's it for this week's edition of Marry Me Monday, presented by Emerald City Jewelers. Join us next week, Monday, 7:25, for another exciting edition of Marry Me Monday. Celebrate your love.